Sure enough, you clicked on this video to learn and to know how to make a shake that has few calories, high protein, high fats that are natural. These ingredients that I have presented here, I'm gonna show you how to make that motherfucker. So with that being said, the protein I'm using for today is my first Performance. This is my company right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use 2 scoops. I say about 2 cups of almond milk, tablespoon of peanut butter, tablespoon of almond butter, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of peanuts. Want a little more flavor, I say put some honey in it, which I'm gonna do that shit, obviously. These vitamins right here changed my life forever. So now what you wanna do, right? You wanna use 2 cups of almond milk. Pour that motherfucker in there. Come on. Alright, that's about 2 cups in. You wanna put about a tablespoon of honey, but I don't do that shit. The holy grail. Keep in mind, bro, if you want to discount on these protein canisters or whatever you want to call them, Cold Feeds, change right now. Probably like 30% off. I'm gonna do 2 scoops of protein. This shit, I can go on and on about, but I'm not. 2. Alright. Tablespoon of peanut butter and tablespoon of almond butter. I hope I don't get like in trouble for this because you know I got the brand on it. You think that's a tablespoon? Peanut butter. After I'm done making this. No.
Yeah, boy.
Go ahead, tablespoon of almond butter. You got all the almond butter? I hate, this is the things I hate about butter, man. You gotta keep doing this shit. There you go. Now, I don't measure stuff, so with that being said, this is gonna be about a half a cup of almonds. You see what the
Half a cup.
Half a cup of peanuts. This is about half a cup. I'm on. Then you would put 1 more cup of almond milk and you good, bro. Like for real. Alright, you connect that motherfucker.
Connect it right quick and then we did.
Alright, now we gonna blend.
What the hell happened there?
Now we gonna, matter of fact, let's add some ice to it. So I'll ask you a question, and your ass is looking at me, but it is what it is. Glass of ice. Pour in the cups. I mean the blend. Now we blend. We crush. Blend. Now we pour. The consistency is
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
this right here, I need some more. This shit's so good. I'm not even lying. I ain't even lying to you. I've been talking my shit. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
He copied me. I don't measure things.
That concludes this fucking video. I hope y'all enjoyed.
You thought this was inspirational, now I'm talking my shit. Remember when my occupation was flipping the brick?